if you pray to Mary for me, another question mark. Okay? Bear with me. Hindi kayo makalabas. Pinabantay ng mga waiter is baba. And some of the INC member, katsukaran ko nasa baba rin. Sorry kung maatras kasi ako. Now, today is celebrating my birthday. Bakit puro patay ang usapan natin dito? Because death is something we don't like to hear or talk about. But death is something real. All of us, whether we like it or not, dadaanan natin ito. Nasaan ba? Nalakaw pala. We speak of Buddhism, we speak of Taoism, now we speak of Christianity. Ang belief ng Christianity is so much simple. You just believe in Jesus, that's all, then you will be saved. So simple. Now, I will also have a time to who God is. Sino bang Diyos? Okay? Okay, who is God? Very, very simple, very few minutes now. Now listen, okay? If you want to know God, who is God? There is no other God's claim that He is the beginning. Only God, Jesus did that. Siya ang pagsimula. Isinsulte, kaisiye, isikitsoy. Meaning to say, before anything existed, God is already there. Okay? Now, listen this. The rest of the gods are born as human beings and then become God. Alam nyo? The rest of the gods are born as human beings and then become God. Only Jesus is God who become man. Okay? Now, only Jesus, this one is also very important. Only Jesus rose from the dead. No other gods or individual had the power to resurrect from the dead. Only Jesus resurrected. Okay? Now, kanina rin yung sinasabi ko pa pinag-usapan natin ang patay, di ba? Okay, please listen. Do you know where will you go after death? One question. Do you know where will you go after death? Let's make an illustration. Imagination lang, imagination. For example, if you die today in front of God, will you be confident or will you be scared? Okay? So now, para ending. Okay, please bear with me. Listen lang. Last time. Sample. If Christianity is not real and Buddhism is real, ito ang mangyayari. Again, two persons died. The Buddhist believer died. His soul separated from his body. Of course, he's not perfect, so he will he will return back to reborn. Yan ang tawag ng reincarnation. Okay? Now, since an example dito is Christian is not true, so the Christian died. Please, listen. So the Buddhist died, he returned, reborn. The Christian died, his soul probably will see Buddha. Listen, Buddha will not condemn the Christian. Maybe Buddha will say, oh, you are a Christian, but I will not condemn you. But you're not perfect. So go down, reborn. Maybe this time you can be a dog. Napasalamat yung Kristiyano. Nothing happened, no condemnation. Even though he's a Christian, Buddha cannot condemn him because Buddha will not condemn him. So, now, second, if Christian is not real, and Taoism and Chinese ancestor worship is real, ito ang scenario. Again, two-person die. The believer die, and then they go to a certain place, and then he will wait. His loved ones and his relatives will food offering and burn his spirit money so that he will enjoy his life in the next life, right? Now, it came the Christian. The Christian also died. His soul also go to that place. But he will not suffer. There is no condemnation. Why? Because in this belief, they celebrate every July, in Chinese lunar calendar, the Ghost month. Ghost month. So what is happening in the Ghost month? The believer will offer food offering and then burn spirit money to the ghost. And sino mga ghost? The Christian and the unbeliever are considered ghosts and wandering spirit. So they will benefit the food and the money. Do you get me? Do you follow me? So enjoy yung Kristiyano even though he's not a